Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something really exciting for SUV lovers across the globe. We're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, a name that has become almost synonymous with rugged reliability, off-road capability, and bold styling. The new model isn't just a facelift, it's a whole new level of design, tech, and performance that sets the bar even higher. So let's break down every little detail of this powerhouse and find out if it's worth your money in 2026. Let's begin by just looking at the Fortuner. At first glance, the 2026 model has taken on a sharper, more muscular stance. Toyota has clearly embraced a more aggressive design language. The front end now features a redesigned grille that stretches wider, giving the Fortuner a bolder, more commanding look. It's flanked by sleeker LED matrix headlights that have a futuristic touch, and those dynamic LED RLs add a premium modern edge. The bumper is beefier, with angular air intakes and skid plates that hint at its off-road DNA. It's more aerodynamic now, but doesn't compromise on its tough, bold personality. Moving to the side. The 2026 Fortuner gets sharper body lines and a slightly more sculpted profile. The wheel arches are more prominent, giving it that athletic stance. You'll also notice new alloy wheel designs up to 20 inches on higher trims. With a diamond-cut finish that adds flair to the SUV personality, there's a subtle chrome line running below the windows, which adds a touch of sophistication without being overdone. The ORVMs are sleeker and now come with integrated cameras as part of the 360-degree view system. Roof rails remain standard, and there's a slightly lower roofline than before, making the Fortuner look a bit sportier, but without affecting headroom. At the back, Toyota has made some interesting changes. The taillights are now connected with a sleek LED strip that runs across the tailgate, a trendy design choice we're seeing more and more. The lights themselves are slimmer and more refined than before. The rear bumper is rugged with contrasting silver elements, and the spoiler has been extended for a sportier look. There's also a dual-tip exhaust setup in the Sport variants, which adds a nice, aggressive touch, hinting that the Fortuner is not just about utility anymore. Once you step inside, the transformation is very noticeable. The 2026 Fortuner's cabin now feels much more premium and tech-forward. There's a new floating 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system right in the center, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is now fully digital with customizable layouts. Toyota has finally embraced soft-touch materials in key areas, including the dashboard and door panels, which elevates the overall ambience. You get ambient lighting across the cabin, and the interior color options, especially the black and burgundy combo, look stunning. The steering wheel is redesigned with a sportier grip, and the paddle shifters on higher trims give it a more driver-focused feel. The front seats are ventilated and come with electronic adjustments and memory functions. In the rear, the seats are spacious with ample legroom and recline options. The third row remains best for kids or short trips, but even there, Toyota has managed to improve ingress and egress with a more intuitive seat folding system. Under the hood, the Fortuner gets a big update. You now have two engine options in most markets: a 2.8-liter turbo diesel that's been refined for better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery, and a 2.4-liter turbo petrol hybrid that's new for 2026. The diesel engine produces around 210 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic or manual gearbox, while the hybrid churns out a combined 250 horsepower with instant torque delivery and improved fuel economy. The ride quality has also seen a serious improvement, thanks to the new adaptive suspension system that adjusts damping in real time based on terrain and driving mode. Off-road, the Fortuner is still a beast. With the 4x4 variants, you get features like low-range gearing, hill descent control, locking rear differentials, and a new terrain management system that includes modes for sand, rock, mud, and snow. On highways, it now feels more planted and composed than ever before. The steering feedback has improved, and body roll is noticeably reduced due to a reworked chassis. Braking is confident, and the SUV feels more predictable at high speeds. As for safety, Toyota has packed the 2026 Fortuner with a full suite of driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. There are up to 7 airbags, ISO-FIX child seat mounts, and a stronger body structure made from high-tensile steel. All of this contributes to top crash test ratings, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. Asterisk, now let's talk numbers. The base model of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner starts around $42,000 USD, while the top-end trims with all the bells and whistles can go up to $58,000. In markets like India, expect a price range starting around 38 lakhs and stretching up to 52 lakh for the fully loaded Legender or GRS variants. Toyota is also offering attractive warranty packages and maintenance plans that make ownership more hassle-free than ever. Asterisk, so, should you consider buying the 2026 Fortuner? Absolutely. If you're looking for an SUV that blends off-road capability with urban sophistication, it may not be the cheapest option in the segment, but it justifies the price with its reliability, build quality, and sheer presence. Whether you're a family person looking for space and safety, or an adventurer wanting to conquer tough terrain, the Fortuner checks all the boxes. The hybrid option is a nice touch for those conscious about fuel economy, and the tech updates finally bring it in line with its global rivals. Asterisk, thanks for sticking with us through this detailed review of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious. Asterisk.